alam niyo ba, pag natapos ako mag-makeup, mainitan ako ng onte, mag-oil up yung face ko, magpawis ako ng onte, nahuhulas na siya, nagkikiki na siya, as in talaga hindi siya long-lasting sa face ko. Yung mga dating base makeup ko, but dito si Blue Cushion, ito ang kinagandahan nito. Unang tap pa lang sa face ko, na-cover up niya agad-agad yung mga blemishes ko. Aside from that, kahit gamitin ko yung hanggang simula umaga, hanggang gabi, kahit walang retouch, hindi ako mag-redo ng makeup, as in talagang intact pa rin yung makeup. Hindi talaga siya nahuhulas, hindi siya na-meltdown agad-agad. Ganun kaganda si Blue Cushion. That's why everybody, if you're looking for that kind of base makeup, na talagang long-lasting na, intact pa rin yung makeup nyo, kahit gaano pa katagal yan, at talagang, guys, full coverage pa, use our Blue Cushion right here. Because once again, if you're looking for a makeup na pang normal to oily skin, na may medium to full coverage, at may glowy dewy fit, and may velvet matte finish pa, use our Blue Cushion right now, everyone, okay? Kasi everybody, si Blue Cushion natin, syempre, may mas igaganda pa yan kung sasama mo yan ng OD Light Sunscreen Mist natin. Kasi si Blue Cushion, yes, we know na may astaxanthin siya. But astaxanthin is really not enough to protect your skin from sunspots, sunburn, even premature aging. But with our OD Light Sunscreen Mist, this one has SPF 50PA Quadri Plus, a full protection na kaya protektan yung skin nyo from sunspots, sunburn, even premature aging. At not only that, kasi si Blue Cushion, kahit naka-makeup ka na dyan, kahit nakalapat na si Blue Cushion sa face mo, you can also reapply dito ng OD Light Sunscreen Mist. Bakit? Because this one is a makeup mess-free product. So, pwede ka pa mag-reapply ng OD Light Sunscreen Mist kahit naka-makeup ka na dito ng Blue Cushion. Ganun siya, because makeup mess-free siya, hindi niya ma-meltdown, hindi niya mahuhulas, hindi niya matatanggal yung makeup sa face mo. That's why everybody, maganda sila as a combo product. Pero magkano po ba sila as a combo product? Dati, everybody, makukuha niyo po yan ng makukuha niyo po yan ng 2,099 pesos. But right now, on basket number 17, makukuha na lang yan ng 866 pesos. So, magkano na di-discount sa inyo? 1,233 pesos. Diba? Ang laking tipid nun. Instead na magbili ka dyan ng product po, guys, na nag-worth na 2,099 pesos. Pero dahil nga naka-paid in sale tayo at discounted lahat, 866 pesos lang kailangan mo bayaran at 1,233 pa ang na-discount mo. Kaya sa viewers natin dyan, meron pa po ba gusto humabol dito for Blue Cushion natin? Kasi kung meron pa, bilisan nyo i-check out nyo na yan, lalo na itong dalawang product natin, guys, for basket number 17. At ayun na nga, may nakapag-check out na dito, guys, okay, nung basket number 17 natin or yung combo product natin right now, last one stock na lang for Blue Cushion natin, last one stock na lang. Yes, everybody, meron pa po bang gusto humabol in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, at humahabol pa si Miss Sarah! Thank you so much, Miss Sarah, for checking out right here nung ating Blue Cushion. But sorry po for other viewers ating dyan na hindi nakahabol for Blue Cushion natin, okay? But everybody, thank you so much at kasama na po yung ibang viewers natin dyan sa ating priority shipping kasama nakahabol po for Blue Cushion natin, okay? But for other viewers natin dyan, baka mamaya magbigay ako ulit dito ng another stocks natin for other products natin, everyone, okay? Ayan po, for Morena daw. For Morena natin, nandito yung mga shades natin, okay? Pagkakulay mo, kaya kakulay mo si Miss Catherine Bernardo, go with our beige. Pagkakulay mo si Miss Nadine Lustre, golden brown, mag-sun ka. Pagkakulay mo dito si Miss Rochelle Pangilinan, deep skin color, morena, honey po yun. Okay, serum sunscreen po pa-flex. What kind of serum sunscreen are you looking for? Because we have different kinds of serum sunscreen. Meron tayong serum sunscreen dito, katulad na sinasabi ko kanina, is yung Matte Fit Sunscreen natin. Matte Fit Sunscreen, everyone, this one is useful for those who have oily skin. Kung hanap ko naman dito is for hydrating or for like dry skin naman, 5 times ceramide. Everyone, pag sinabi natin serum sunscreen, easy to blend lang sa skin nyo, easy lang po siya ma-blend out, easy lang po siya ma-apply sa skin, at talagang hindi po siya yung guys, okay, hindi yung nag-white cast sa balat nyo. And another thing, everyone, we also have right here, si ating guys, okay, meron din tayo dito, si ating Bright Fit Sunscreen. Si Bright Fit Sunscreen naman, everyone, this one, nagto-tone up effect siya. Pero pag ginamit po siya continuous, everybody, talaga magbibigay siya ng tone up effect. And not only that, may guys, okay, ma-absorb na ng skin mo yung pag-brighten up ng balat. Okay, ganun siya. So everyone, mga viewers natin dyan, what kind of serum sunscreen are you looking for? For basket number 11 naman po, that is si ating Ultra Cover Powder Foundation. This one is a 2-way cake. You can use it as your base makeup. You can use it as your pressed powder. If you're going to use it as your base makeup, talaga nakakatulong to give you light to high coverage. Tapos not only that, it's good siya for oily skin, good siya for dry skin, even combination skin. Tapos it give you flawless and smooth makeup. It also blurs out your pores. You can also use it pang support sa base makeup mo. So this one can give you extra coverage for your base makeup. It's good for light to high coverage. Good siya for blurring out your pores. It's good siya for smooth and flawless na makeup. Okay, so viewers natin dyan, i-check out na po yan agad-agad dito sa live natin kasi everybody, limited time offer lang po tayo. And once again, what's the difference between our cushion foundation right here? We have our blue cushion. This one is useful for those having normal to oily skin, creamy and soft matte finish, and medium to full coverage yan. We also have right here gold cushion. Ginagamit to for those having normal to dry skin, satin finish. Slight shine effect but still matte finish. Onting kintab pero matte finish pa rin siya. So everyone, we have also right here si pink cushion. Si pink cushion is useful for those having normal to dry skin, glowy, dewy finish. Glass skin appearance, Korean makeup, shiny sa face, makintab sa face. Ganun po si ating pink cushion. So if you're looking for a product na may glass skin appearance or like yung parang Korean makeup, use our pink cushion. Yes, everybody. Lahat ng cushion foundation natin is a full, lahat po yan guys, okay, full coverage po siya. Yes, it depends na lang what kind of skin type are you, skin type meron ka, and what kind of finish are you looking for. For oily skin, nag-isa lang po yan si blue cushion. Pag dry skin kayo, we have right here si pink and gold cushion, okay? Yeah, so viewers natin dyan, we also have right here our newly released product, which is the ating PDRN. PDRN, everyone, it really helps your skin in a lot of ways. So si ating PDRN, nakaka-brighten siya ng skin, nakaka-even out siya ng skin, nakaka-suit siya ng redness at inflammation, nakaka-hydrate and moisturize the skin, and napopromote din siya ng glass skin appearance. So right here, everybody, ito si ating PDRN, ang pinakamabango namin moisturizer right here. And talaga pag guys, in-apply mo sa balat mo, thick talaga siya guys, okay? Thick siya, non-greasy, non-sticky. Everybody, sobrang lang siya, sobrang smooth lang, sobrang gaan lang i-apply sa mukha nyo. Yes, everyone, ganun po si ating PDRN. With our PDRN, everyone, this one, guys, it has ingredients po as the following. Guys, katulad po ng Brightenal. Si Brightenal, everyone, nakakatulong to reduce your melanin sa skin. But it also goods po talaga for soothing yung inflammation and redness sa skin nyo. So everybody, we also have right here si Chrono Glow, which gives you a natural brightening ingredient. At the same time, nakakatulong siya to reduce yung dark spot nyo sa skin. And lastly, we have our, guys, Skin Bright Plus. Si Skin Bright Plus, nakakatulong po yan to fade out your dark spot. At the same time, guys, it enhance yung radiance sa face nyo. Diba? Grabe. So everyone, hindi lang po siya nakaka-brighten up, but it gives you glow and shine sa face nyo, guys. Okay? Ganun si ating PDRN. And si Miss Biel, thank you so much for checking out. And dahil dyan kasama po sa ating priority shipping. Without priority shipping, fast delivery na and safe delivery pa. For basket number 5, that is our gold cushion. Kung medyo maputi ka na sidik ka, I recommend po na mag-vanilla kayo. Yes, everyone. Kasi ivory po, everybody is medyo maputi. May pagka-pinkish, may pagka-reddish skin. But everyone, dahil nga sabi mo, medyo maputi ka at acidic ka, you need mag one shade lighter. Yes, one shade lighter, it's vanilla, everyone. So guys, we keep on darken up yan. It will go through naman po sa ivory natin. Yes, Miss Chrome, yes. Mag-vanilla ka ha. Yes, mag-vanilla ka if we're going to do a one shade lighter. But everyone, if you want to consider naman, Miss Chrome, pwede ka naman dito mag-pink cushion. Kasi pink and gold cushion are just the same for dry skin. Magkaiba lang sila ng finish sa balat. So if you want to try si pink cushion, ivory naman din po ang check out mo dito. Dapat ivory din yung check out mo dito. Dahil nga acidic ka, so vanilla yung check out mo. Dito, ivory lang. Kasi dito po, is may antioxidant siya. So, ibig sabihin, kahit acidic kayo, hindi yan magda-darken up, hindi yan mag-gray siya face you. Okay? So, viewers, natin dyan, kung may mga questions kayo or any clarifications about our product right here, comment down below na agad-agad dito sa live natin. So, how will you claim your vouchers yung keep sa atin dito or yung mga discounted price? Ganito lang kadali. Okay? So, viewers, natin dyan, click nyo lang po yung follow button. After clicking follow button, punta sa yellow basket. Claim our vouchers and coupons and diretso check out na dito sa live natin. But as you can see right now, everyone, let's see kung mababa na ulit yung mga presyo. Ayun, bumaba na ulit yung presyo ng product natin. It goes back na po sa 416 pesos ang mga cushion foundation natin. So sa mga viewers natin dyan, i-take advantage na yun agad-agad dito sa live natin. Hi kay Merck Krakos, thank you so much for checking out. And dahil dyan kasama po sa ating priority shipping. Without priority shipping, fast delivery na and safe delivery na tayo dito sa live natin. Okay, thank you so much po kay Norzia. Thank you so much for following. Baka meron pa dito gusto mag-follow na kayo agad-agad dito sa live. Actually, everyone, I also recommend right here, mag 5 times ceramide moisturizer kayo. This one, everybody, hindi lang po siya yung ordinary moisturizer nyo. This one can be This one can be used as your moisturizer, body lotion, soothing gel, even your primer. Yes, everyone, di ba? Sobrang dami niyang pwede paggamitan. Moisturizer na, body lotion pa, soothing gel na, and even primer niyo pa. Ano magandang shades for Morena? Once again, pagkakuli mo ako or pagkakuli mo si Miss Catherine Bernardo, naturally yung pagiging Morena, go with our beige. Pagkakuli mo dito si Miss Nadine Lustre, golden brown, mag-sun ka. Pagkakuli mo dito si Miss Rochelle Pangilinan, deep skin color, Morena, honey po yan. Okay, so viewers natin dyan, 3 minuto na lang guys, okay, para makapag-check out kayo dito ng ating cushion foundation. 3 na lang po everybody guys, 3 minuto na lang everybody para makapag-check out kayo dito. Yes, everyone, so viewers natin dyan, wag niyo po sasayangin yung mga pa-vouchers and coupons natin dito ha. Kasi everybody, we also have right here ating Radiance Booster. Radiance Booster natin guys, meron na po yan. Ano guys, okay, meron na rin po to everyone na 100 ml. Yes, okay. So viewers natin dyan, Ivory for basket number 5. Ito rin si Ivory for basket number 5. Okay, pare-paras nga lang po yan. So ako, ano po yung itsura ng shade na to sa dito sa gold cushion, ganyan din po itsura niya sa blue cushion, even po sa pink cushion, ganyan din itsura niyan. Yes, wala pong pagbabago in everyone. Kung ano po yung shade niya sa isang product namin, ganun din po yung shade niya sa ibang product namin everyone. Okay, so viewers natin dito, sino pa dito guys, may gusto mag-down check out? I-check out nyo na po yan agad-agad dito sa live natin. So, pa-flex po ng basket number 4, Morena po. For Morena po sa basket number 4, nag-iisa lang yan, which is si beige. Okay, ang beige po natin ay this one. Kung kakulin nyo ako or kakulin nyo dito si Miss Catherine Bernardo, go with our beige po. Okay, go with our beige. Kung kakulin nyo ako or kakulin nyo si Miss Catherine Bernardo, everyone. Yes, last 2 minutes lang po tayo. Last 2 minutes na lang po tayo dito. Everybody, baka mayroon pa dito gusto humabol dyan. Habol na po sa pagdadon checkout. Once again, kung kayo po dyan is by normal to dry skin, satin finish, slight shine effect, basil matte finish, full coverage, use our gold cushion. Kung naghanap pa dito ng cushion foundation for normal to dry skin, glowy dewy finish, last skin appearance, Korean makeup, shine sa face, makintab sa face, use our pink cushion right here. If you're looking for a product that is useful for those having normal to oily skin, creamy and soft matte finish, medium to full coverage yan, use our blue cushion everyone. Yeah, si blue cushion po natin is limited time offer lang din po, same as the other cushion foundation natin. Limited time offer lang yan. Ibig sabihin, mabilis lang po yan guys, okay? Magbago yung presyo, mabilis lang po magmahal yung presyo yan everyone. Kaya sa viewers natin dyan, habang naka-discounted price tayo, habang naka-payday sale pa tayo guys, i-check nyo na po yan agad-agad dito sa live natin everybody. But don't you forget to follow us first. After following us, claim our vouchers and coupons and diretso check dito sa live natin. 1 minute left to go guys. Yes, 1 minute left to go everybody. Guys, looking for you to done check it right now. Everyone, so viewers natin dyan, 1 minute left to go everybody guys. You can comment down below na agad-agad dito. Hi Miss Anne, thank you so much po for following us. Once again, para follow kayo dito, you may claim our vouchers and coupons and diretso check out na dito sa live natin. Everybody, so viewers natin dyan, we have right here, everybody guys, okay, ang ating next product to flex everyone. Yes, kung may mga questions kayo or any clarifications, continue lang po sa pag-comment dyan sa comment box natin and later on masasagot ko po yan, okay? For medium neutral petal po, i-check out nyo for Sir JP. Ito po yan, for petal, for medium skin tone, in neutral undertone petal po yan, okay? So viewers natin dyan, habol na po sa pag-don check out ng product natin right now, okay? Once again, follow us first. After following us, claim our vouchers and coupons and diretso check out na dito sa live natin everyone. Because once again, ano na po tayo ha, mag 4:30 na tayo dito sa live natin. We're just going to extend our live right here until 5 p.m. lang po. Yes, everyone. Kasi viewers natin dyan, dahil nga po is ready 4:30, sino po ba dito? Yun na mo problema dyan sa mga base makeup nila. Dahil nga may dry skin na siya, tapos yung mga base makeup nila, mabilis pang mahulas, mabilis pang mag-cakey, mabilis pang mag-crisp, mabilis pang mag-patchy, hindi na long-lasting, hindi pa kumakapit sa face nila. If you're looking for a new base makeup na pang dry skin dyan, pero hindi lang basta pang dry skin, yung may glowy, dewy finish, yung may glass skin appearance, yung parang pang Korean makeup. If you're looking for that kind of makeup, why don't you try our Cover Glow Perfect Pink Cushion Foundation right here? Because this product, si Pink Cushion, ay ginagamit po yan for those having normal to dry skin. 10 hours long lasting sa skin, medium to full coverage na rin siya, at glowy dewy finish pa siya. Pag gumagamit ka dito ng ating pink cushion, this one is talaga ano po yan guys, okay? Kahit po talaga sensitive skin ka, active po skin, lactating mom, or you're even pregnant mom, you can still use use our pink cushion because this one has ano po guys, mild ingredients but still effective on your skin and more on hydrating ingredients siya. Katulad nga po guys, meron tayo dito si ating peptide complex na makakatulong to boost your skin hydration, and it also locks the skin moisture, everyone. We also have right here hyaluronic acid that maintains yung pagka-freshness, yung pagka-hydrate to skin natin para hindi agad-agad nag-cakey or nagpa-patchy makeup sa face natin. We also have right here si resveratrol and vitamin E. These two ingredients, they act as an antioxidant for pink cushion. So kahit acidic kayo, hindi yan mag-darken up, hindi yan mag-grayish sa face nyo. Ganun kaganda si pink cushion. Kaya sa viewers natin dyan, ingredients pa lang everybody, panalo na si pink cushion. Eh sa presyo pa. Magkano ba si pink cushion? From its original price of 1,493 pesos, makukuha nyo lang ngayong payday sale ng 416 pesos. So magkano na discount sa inyo? 1,083 pesos. Ang laking discount yan. Mas malaki pa yung nadi-discount nyo kaysa sa presyong binabayaran nyo. Kaya sa viewers natin dito, kung gusto nyo makuha dito si pink cushion, i-check out nyo po yan sa basket number 3 kasi limang stocks lang ang ibibigay ko sa inyo para ma-check out nyo si ating pink cushion. Kasi kahit po talaga sa packaging, may kita nyo talaga dito kung gaano kaganda at gaano ka-worth it bilhin si pink cushion. Because look at our packaging right here. Very classy, very expensive looking yung pagka-hot pink color niyan. Naka-dual mirror pa po tayo. We have our mirror outside which is very reflective at nandito rin yung ating compact mirror inside. May puff din tayo, teardrop shape puff. Kaya po nito ma-cover up kahit yung corners ng face, kahit yung mga hard-to-reach areas ng face nyo. Naka-dual compartment din yan. Separated si puff and si cushion natin. So it means yung mga bacteria dumi from our puff ay hindi po matatransfer dito sa cushion natin. So it means less contamination, mas hygienic siya, hindi siya cause ng breakouts, hindi rin po siya cause ng mga guys, okay, namang acne and pimples sa face natin. So everyone, si ating pink cushion right here, slide po siya the back lang, refillable na din yan. So it means everyone, one time lang kayo bibili ng full size cushion and next time, si-refill na lang po ang kailangan nyo laging bilhin dito. Diba? Sa pink cushion pa lang natin, mas nakakamura na kayo, mas nakakatipid na kayo everyone. Kasi sa viewers natin dito, what are you waiting for? I-check out nyo na dito si pink cushion because we got our first checkout rider. 4 na lang ang natitira for pink cushion natin. 4 na lang. So sa mga viewers natin dyan, huwag nyo nang antayin na maubos yan. Huwag nyo nang antayin na tumaas pa yung presyo ng ating pink cushion. Kasi alam nyo po ba, talaga mas marami pa yung andito gumagamit ng pink cushion natin. Kasi even influencer artist right here is also using our pink cushion. And one of them is si Miss Kylie Padilla, everybody. Even Miss Kylie Padilla, she tried and test po talaga gamitin si pink cushion natin. Talagang tinry niya gamitin si pink cushion, tinest niya si pink cushion kung kaya bang ma-cover up yung mga blemishes niya sa face. Ano nangyari? Approved na approved kay Miss Kylie Padilla. Kasi na-cover up yung mga blemishes niya sa face. Ang ganda ng lapat ng makeup, ang ganda ng coverage ng makeup. Ang ganda, even yung packaging ng makeup. That's why everyone, kung si Miss Kylie Padilla natuwa doon sa blue cushion natin, ay sa pink cushion natin, why don't you also try si pink cushion natin right now? I-check out nyo na rin dito si pink cushion natin ngayon. Kasi everybody, discounted price na po yan. Mababa na yung presyo ng product natin. So as you can see everybody, we got another checkout once again. Last 3 stocks na lang tayo. Diba? Ang dami talaga nagtitake over guys, or dami nagtitake advantage yung 416 pesos na presyo ni pink cushion. Kasi everyone, dito limited lang yung vouchers and coupons, limited lang yung stocks, limited lang din po yung presyong ganyan may kita nyo. Kaya sa viewers natin dyan, kung ako sa inyo, i-check out nyo na yun agad-agad dito sa live natin everyone. Okay, once again, paano nyo makukuha yung 416 pesos yan? Ganito ang gawin nyo. Everybody, click nyo lang po yung follow button. After that, punta sa yellow basket, claim our vouchers and coupons, and diretso checkout dito sa live natin. Yes, dito lang kayo sa live, mag-checkout everybody. So viewers, atin niya si Miss Tria, nakapag-checkout na! Last 2 stocks na lang tayo for pink cushion, last 2 stocks na lang. At ito ito yung nagustuhan dito ni Miss Kylie Padilla ng coverage si pink cushion. Kasi si pink cushion natin, hindi lang nagbibigay ng medium to full coverage.